What's up guys, I'm going to show you how to make this healthy gluten-free plant-based pizza dough recipe, and as a bonus I'm going to show you what toppings I'm putting on mine. First things first, you need to boil 3 chopped potatoes. I'm pretty sure you all know how to boil potatoes, but boil it for at least 10 minutes or check it with a fork, see if it pierces through it. When it pierces through it, it is ready to go. Then strain it out and let it cool down for 20 minutes because you don't want to burn your hands. Now to a large bowl, add in 3 cups of cassava flour. You can find this flour on Amazon and in the grocery stores, or you can use a chickpea flour if you want. It should work either way. Now add in 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 1½ teaspoon of dried thyme, a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, a ½ cup of avocado oil or any other oil of your choice. Now add in your cooked potatoes and start slowly mixing it, and it will be crumbly, so that means you just have to grab your potato masher and start pressing it down, and press it down until you see no longer any big chunks. Now add in 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of cold water and start continuing to mix it on a medium speed. And you could use a hand mixer like me, but if you don't want to, you can use a KitchenAid. And if you wonder how long I'm doing it, I'm mixing it for about 8 minutes, and you can see right here it comes to a popcorn looking texture. That is a really good sign. And just keep mixing it, and as soon as all that dough forms together as one solid dough, that is a really good sign. It should form into a ball all on its own. Keep mixing it and kind of making it form into that ball to kind of give it some guidance, and just use your hands to make it into a better form of a ball. And go ahead and place it on a non-silk pad or a parchment paper and start shaping your dough with your hands. I am going to just spread it out. Make sure there's no holes in it, of course, and spread it out to the shape of your liking. Now go ahead and start preheating your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Now while that's preheating, go ahead and add on your marinara sauce or pizza sauce and spread it out thinly, because if you put it on too thick, your pizza will be gooey, and that's a no-no. Add on some handfuls of spinach for your good iron for your body. Add in some bell pepper, sweet bell pepper to that pizza if you like. But like I said, you can make the pizza any way you like it, but this is the way I'm doing it. Add in some mushrooms for your vitamin D levels, because mushrooms are very good for you. And I'm also adding SHISHITO peppers to the pizza because they are in season and they are quite delicious. And add some handfuls of green olives. If you like salt like me, it's delicious. Now go ahead and place that into the oven, and you're going to want to bake that for 23 minutes, depending on how long you like your pizza cooked. But 23 minutes was just great for me. And go ahead and pull it out. And give that pizza a good sniff and good look at it. Look at that deliciousness. It looks quite delicious. Now I'm going to just let it cool for like 8 minutes or 5. If you're impatient, go ahead. You can start cutting it up. But I want to start cutting it up in slices and start plating it and feeding it to people. They will have no idea that this is gluten-free. They don't know, because it is that delicious and tasting and amazing. I am so proud of this pizza. If you make it, hashtag me, meet the Presleys on Instagram or Facebook, and I would love to see what you've done with the pizza or how you topped your toppings. Have a wonderful day. If you have any questions, comment me on Instagram or our Facebook fan page.